Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So I am due for a retie. It's been 6 weeks, going on 7 weeks since my last retie, but I'm not mentally ready. I'm not mentally prepared to get into it yet. So what do you do when you're not prepared? A braid out. At least for me, sometimes the straight hair and all the new growth is just not a look. It doesn't make me feel good about my hair, and it makes me notice that I need to do my retie even more. So whenever I'm not in the mood to start my retie yet, to tackle that, I just curl my hair. And a braid out is the fastest option. I didn't feel like putting in rollers, so I put in braids. Anyway, let's just get into this braid out. That's what this video is all about. I haven't done a braid out since, I don't even know. I think since before I was a year locked, and now I'm 2 years locked. So it's been a while since I've done a braid out again. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna go. I just put the braids in last night, and it is the next afternoon. I think postpartum shedding has started. My edges are looking a little bit thin, but anyway, I did small braids because my hair is short, so that's really the only option I have. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, about 15, so 15, about 30 braids total. So let's get into the takedown. I'm sorry, what was that? What retie? What retie? I do not know about that. I've never heard the word retie before. I am gonna miss this length of hair so much. That was the fastest takedown I've ever done. That was like 7 minutes. And the reason why I'm loving a middle part is because my edges are all grown out. So it's just not gonna look the same with the side part, but let's just see. Like, it looks messy. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my t-shirts on Teespring. I'll have the link below. This is my locked in free tee because I'm locked and I am free. I'm free of combs. I'm free of detangling. I am free to do whatever I want with my hair. And I really love how this braid out came out as well. Now that my hair's longer, it has some weight to it. I love a braid out again. I love it. It's so pretty. And got a nice volume here. So once these braids really fall and once it's time to wash my hair again, then I will start my retie. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little braid out, and I will be seeing you in my next one. Bye.